What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting my day at my father's house. We loaded this plow on the trailer ready to go down. I have to get this tailgate either on the trailer or the bed of my truck. I haven't really decided yet. Probably put it on the front of the trailer there and just strap it in. But today we are starting shop cleanup, so we're bringing this stuff down. This tailgate is for the new I think it's a F450 dump truck we have that we made into a plow truck. We don't have our Chevy dump truck, so we're going to do a scrap metal run today, and we need a tailgate for that truck. The Chevy is at the dealer right now getting something taken care of, so this is our only option for a dump truck. But let me get this on here somewhere, and then we will head down to my shop. All right, we are good to go. That was pretty heavy, but I'll see you guys at the shop. All right, guys, so I just got down to my shop. We threw this tailgate on this truck already. We are having one issue. This tailgate lock, it's basically what that does is it opens up this little latch here. There's one on each side, but it seems to be rusted or corroded, and it is very tight to go up or down, so we're gonna have to work on that. We also took the plow off the trailer here. Grab my stuff. We took the plow off the trailer, and we have it sitting here in the pile with the rest of our stuff. So we got the dumpster delivered early this morning, and we are going to town getting the shop cleaned up. So I'm gonna set up a time lapse and get to work. All right, guys, so shop is about halfway clean. We got some guys over there, co-workers, families, grabbing some stuff that we were throwing out, but the shelves are looking good. We still have to get to this section over here. Obviously we got a whole bunch of stuff stacked up on that shelf up there. We got a bunch of stuff in here and we got to go through, and then we started going through here. We had a whole lot of trim. You can tell right here we have some pieces that we're saving, but a lot of this stuff we have been accumulating over the years, even before I was working for my dad, but a lot of it was never used. Like, look, this whole shelf here is just all soffit. Above it is all soffit. It's all color brown soffit. This is all white soffit. Those were all siding and stuff, so we threw some of the stuff that we're keeping on these sawhorses here. It's a lot of aluminum, all more soffits, and I think it's all soffit. Yeah, we threw away all the siding. So a lot of it was like extra stuff from jobs that we had left over. It comes back, gets put on the shelf, and then honestly it gets forgotten about, and we have other jobs that could have used it, but it just never got taken out of here and we just purchased new. So it is what it is. We're throwing away a lot of it. Our dumpster over there is almost completely full, but I think we have at least one more day going through here. So we're not done yet, but that'll either be a different video or I will just show you guys that when we are done. Tomorrow I am heading upstate to pick up a countertop for my father. It is going to my parents' house, so the guys are going to meet me there. When I get back, I have to go up to Albany, and then I will meet them there. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.